Hello everyone, this is Scott from scottgombar.com, Connecticut's premier internet marketing and social media marketing expert. The purpose of today's video is to show you a little bit about Facebook's Power Editor, so let's get started with that. Alright, so if you do any advertising on Facebook, create ads to get likes to your page or to your website or whatever it may be, you may be interested in a Power Editor. A Power Editor is going to be the way for you to create ads a little more efficiently, target even more specific audiences, and save you some money all in the process. So let's get started. If you go to your gear icon, well, it's not a gear anymore, it's a drop down arrow icon for your options, and then go to manage ads in your Facebook account. It's going to bring you to your manage ads page. You're probably familiar with this if you created Facebook ads in the past. You can see previous ads, how much you spent, and more statistics about the ads that you've created in the past. However, on the left side of the page you'll see this menu. On this menu there's a Power Editor option, so let's click that. This is going to bring me to the Facebook Power Editor. And the first time you come here, you're going to want to download all your information to the Power Editor. You can see I just downloaded this a couple hours ago, but if I click download and download, it's going to download all the information from my account. It only takes a few seconds. I have quite a bit of information and it's not taking long at all, as you can see. Now once this is complete, all of the updated account information will be inside of the Power Editor. Now before you are able to create an ad, you'll have to create a campaign. If I try to create an ad, I'm going to be told I need to use an existing ad or existing campaign, sorry, or create a new one. So I'm going to create a campaign because I'm going to use a page recently obtained as a client. Alright, so I'm going to create a campaign, and we'll call this Connecticut Law Firm. That's the client. Okay, you have options. You can bid. You can use bidding type auction or fixed price. I prefer auction because we'll be able to adjust our pricing as we go, and choose the objectives. So the objectives: clicks to website, website conversions, page post engagement, page likes, desktop app installs, mobile app installs, desktop app engagement, mobile app engagement, offer claims, and event responses. So we're going to go for website conversions. I'm sorry, we're going to go to clicks to website. Okay, and as you can see now my campaign is created and I'm going to create an ad. So you'll also notice there's ad sets. You can think of this the same way that you can set up Google AdWords campaign, and it's broken down into a hierarchy. There is a walkthrough tutorial on Facebook currently. If you haven't already gone through it, I suggest you go through it. So let's create that ad. We're going to use the existing campaign. We're going to create a new ad set. I should have done that earlier. We'll call it Connecticut Law Firm as well. Again, this is just an overview. You may want to organize this a little better than what I'm doing at the moment. Okay. You'll notice while this is processing, this Upload Changes button has changed colors to green. Before this ad will go live, you'll need to upload the changes to Facebook. Alright, so I'm going to come down here now, and you can see, let's make some room here. Connecticut Law Firm, objectives, clicks to website. You'll notice that Facebook warns you, since the campaign uses the clicks to website objective, this ad can only use the clicks to website or website conversions objective. Okay, we set a campaign level setting, and that means the ad has to use the similar settings. Alright, page post link to your website, eligible for newsfeed, domain ad linked to your website, right column only. So we'll use page post because what I want to show you is that you can actually create a page post, create a new unpublished post. So there's no post yet, but we're going to create one. And optional URL tags, we're going to leave that alone now. We're also going to leave create new pixel alone for now. We'll come back to this at a later time in a later video. This is for conversion tracking. If you want to see how many clicks you're getting to your website and so forth, you'll want to use that. Okay, placement. Some of this is new. So all of Facebook, including the newsfeed only on mobile and desktop, newsfeed only on a desktop, mobile only, desktop right-hand column, and newsfeed on desktop only, right-hand column on desktop only, newsfeed mobile, and right-hand column desktop only. So we're going to use all of Facebook for now. We want to get as many people as possible. And you also notice you're able to target specific mobile devices or features. And then you can even target only show on mobile devices when connected using Wi-Fi. Okay, and we'll build our audience. It's probably one of the best features of Facebook. Use existing targeting group, or I can build a custom audience. So we're not going to build a custom audience right now. I'm going to go, you can also exclude audience. So if I want to exclude audiences of people that already like my page, we can do that. I want to target a certain area, let's say Wallingford, Connecticut. I can also add more. So I can either remove these are here, or I can add more if I wanted to. So maybe I want to target all of Connecticut. And you can see by selecting Connecticut, it removes those towns. Target a specific age range. Maybe I want something a little older, maybe a little more expendable income. So let's say 35 to 64. We can target gender based on gender. Languages, maybe I want to target only Spanish speaking. And then I can target even further. So I have relationship status, education status. So maybe I want a certain education level, work status, financial. Maybe I want a certain financial income. So let's say I want people 100 to 125,000. Okay. I could target by interests. Alright, so I'm going to target people who are looking for maybe real estate. Let's see, real estate. There we go. Alright. You could drill down even further here using these data mining groups. There's two. There used to be three. I'm not sure why there's only two now. But so we have Axiom and Data Logic. So you could drill down even further using these. And this is the big difference from the ad manager inside of Facebook and the Power Editor. This allows me a lot more flexibility in my targeting. Okay, education, home composition. Let's say newlyweds. Maybe they're looking to buy a house. We selected real estate. They're looking to buy a house. Okay. And then optimization and pricing. Finally, I have CPC, which is per click, and then CPM, which is per 1,000, and optimized CPM, which is what you're going to want to use for your website. Status is scheduled. You can see fewer than 1,000 people. We don't have a lot of reach, but if I'm a Connecticut attorney who's looking to look for people who are closing on houses, that's all I have right now. It all depends on what you want to reach. So now that we're done with that, we'll save the audience. You can see that we're able to create a lookalike audience in the future. We'll get to that in another video. Alright. And now we're going to upload changes. Upload all ads. Okay. And the reason I'm getting this error is because I actually didn't create a page post for this. So I'm going to show you how to do that in the next video as well. But for now, this is how you would create an ad and upload it using the Power Editor. This gives you a lot more flexibility than the Facebook Ads Manager inside of Facebook. All right. If you have any other questions on Facebook or any other social media marketing, you can contact me at scottgombar.com. That's SCOTTGOMBAR.com. Thanks for checking out my video, and you have a great day.